Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to discuss about AI SEO for Wix website. Wix is said to be not so good SEO friendly content management system, but in this one, we'll be seeing whether we can really rank Wix or not, and if so, how can we exactly do that? Make sure you're actually watching this video to the very end because we have got some pretty good nuggets over here. So, starting with what are the variables in SEO? There are mainly three: on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical side of SEO. Yes, Wix is said to be not so good in terms of SEO, but lately it has improved a lot. The overall technical sides of SEO, Wix has kind of improved it a lot, and you don't really have to focus a lot on those stuff until and unless the basic settings that you have done on your website, like letting search engines scroll that and stuff like that, is correct. Now you have to mainly focus on two major stuff: on-page SEO and off-page SEO. Now, on-page SEO simply means the optimization on the site, and off-page refers to doing the optimization other than your own site. On-page consists of optimizing your content, headers, and other topical relevancy on your website, whereas off-page is a lot about backlinks and how authoritative Google considers your website. Now, let's talk a bit about on-page and how you can rank on Google for terms like best drip coffee and stuff like that. So this is a page which is a ranking for best coffee makers, and we'll be quickly analyzing why is this one ranking. Obviously, the off-page sides of things like backlinks and all the stuff plays a big role, but you cannot really automate that stuff. You have to kind of do that manually, or you can hire services within the tool that I'm gonna mention. They're also having that link building or off-page feature in it. So I'll quickly show you that as well. But first of all, let's see the on-page sides of it, right? And the content optimization part of it and stuff like that. So if you actually see why this particular website is ranking, here this page is having 6,189 words, and these aren't those random words. These are some really good content over here. Why I'm saying this is because if you actually see the title, it's best drip coffee makers of 2024. The keyword, same stuff, best drip coffee makers, then best drip coffee makers, again best drip coffee maker, again great for drip coffee maker and stuff like that. They're having the primary keyword again and again, which tells Google that, hey, this page is about this thing. Now you don't have to kind of overstuff the keyword. If you're having, let's say, 1,000 words on a page, you don't have to put your keyword 100 times in it, but it's all about the ratio. If you're having, let's say, 6,000 words, you can surely put it 1% or 2% of the time, so like 60 to 100 times. So that's the stuff. And let's quickly analyze the content part of this page. Now let's see why this particular page is ranking, why it's so good, why the content is that good. Starting with the image, they've got a unique image over here, epi, tasted, and reviewed, which means that, hey, we have used this one. Then a table of content, then an internal link. If you just click on this is an internal link to one of their own page. So this is a very good practice, to be honest. This is a practice that I would suggest to every single person watching this video. They have got some other internal link as well, another internal link, another stuff like that. Then another image over here, link to those products, another video, content specs, a bit of tabular stuff, another image, content, summary, specs, same stuff over and over again, but FAQs, then summary, or just, you could say, in a nutshell and stuff like that. Now, this is why they are so good. This is why this particular website is ranking. I'm not looking at the backlinks part of it. I'll get into that as well. I'll tell you about that. But now you have got two options, right? You can write this manually, or you can use AI for this. Now, if you use AI like ChatGPT, Cloud AI, and stuff like that, you won't get this sort of quality. You'll have to still do a lot of manual work in optimizing the content, then adding images, adding internal link, adding external link, adding table, and all the stuff. But there's a next option. There's another option over there. Now I'm not actually saying you to use this, it's just what I use. And as this particular video is on AI SEO for Wix, I'm just using this AI tool. It's a tool called journalist.ai. You could just visit tryjournalist.com and you land on the landing page of theirs, right? So they have got a Wix integration over here, and what this will do is it will automatically post it to your Wix website. Now let's see the content side of thing, right? So if you click on SEO article, this is how you generate the content. You have to put your keyword over here, then title. But here's the main thing: you can select language, you can select target country, tone, point of view, formality, keyword, context, description, custom instruction if you have got any. Knowledge over here, if you just disable this, it will just write what it has, but if you enable it, it will also search on Google for similar topics and it will generate very up-to-date content. Now you can also give it some specific knowledge base. You can just click on create knowledge base. You can add some websites, you can add some content, you can add some you can just add this, right? You can add knowledge base name and you can create a knowledge base giving it all the data if you need that, right? But other than that, if you see, we have got formatting, right? Bold, italics, tables, list, boom. The stuff that I showed on the other website that they have got tables and all the stuff, here it is. Then my favorite thing, structure. You can actually, add all the call to actions and stuff like that. But main stuff here, internal link. This is something which is way too underrated and not a lot of websites are using. And this particular tool kind of automatically does the internal linking stuff. You just have to put your sitemap URLs over here and it will do that. External link, if you want this, it will also link to the authoritative websites in your niche, in your industry. So I will for sure suggest this, to be honest. Then images, videos, and all the stuff. So let's actually analyze one of its article that this particular tool has generated for me. So let's quickly look at, let's look at this one, link building strategies for 2024, or let's say top Audi dealerships. No, this one's gonna be best moisturizers for your skin type. Let's look at this one. Let's look at this article. The article has got an image that we want, table of content that I actually talked about. This is very important, way too important. Then introduction, then key takeaways. This is pretty unique stuff, to be honest. You won't see this on a lot of other websites. Plus another image, identifying oily skin, the gist that I talked about, all the stuff. Then again, in a nutshell, stuff of that section and stuff like that. Plus you have got a video, a lot more images, internal link, and stuff like that. A table, again, that's great, yeah. Another internal link, when to apply, how to apply, final thoughts, FAQs, and all those stuff. This is exactly what we wanted. And I'm pretty sure if you just take this article, even if you don't edit this, this is gonna perform really, really well. Although I would suggest to edit this if you have got time, but if you don't really want to do this, if you want to put content in, if you want to get content out in bulk, you could surely use this tool. The name of this tool is chartjournalist.com, and we are using this since last couple of months, I would say 8 or 9 months and so, and it's performing really, really well. I've got some case studies on my channel as well, where you could just say we got X amount of impressions, we got 9 million, 10 million impressions using this tool. So yeah, this is the reason why I suggest this tool. And yep, that's it for this video. Let me know if you have got any question. Feel free to comment below. And yeah, just for the algorithm, please comment SEO for Wix. This would really help the video go up to the top. And yeah, that was it, guys. Let me know if you have got any questions. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Have a great day.